Hey, this is Ihab with a crash course on how to create AOV in Arnold. In other words, a render pass in Arnold for ambient occlusion. In Arnold we have all of these options, but one of the very important passes is called ambient occlusion, and we don't have that here, so I would go and click on Add Custom and type Create, click Create, and then my next step is to have a material assigned to that render pass. I'm gonna go to the hypershade, click Tab on the keyboard and type in occlusion, and name this material. So what I want now is to connect this material to the pass that is here. So I make sure I click on this. Now I see the custom AOV, and now what I can do is either copying the name of this or dragging it with the middle mouse button. If I click render now, technically it should be creating a new pass for me, which is this one, and it's gonna look like this. And that's your ambient occlusion.